This is my science experiment to find out how much air is in people's lungs. I have to pour water into the jug so I can measure how much air is in people's lungs. I need to do a mark to measure the air in people's lungs. We filled the bottle up with water and now we're going to blow air into it with a hose pipe. This little one here. The air that is inside my lungs will come into this bottle. This bottle here. We're going to measure the air that's inside the bottle. 6 members of the family have all had a go. I have found out that bigger people have more air in their lungs. Age also makes a difference of how much air is in our lungs. I hope you enjoyed my science experiment.